Yeah. Hey, I'm Perla Figuereo. I am a curve model here in Los Angeles. 40% confidence, 30% sassiness, and then another 30% empowerment. I think when I was 15 and I decided to go natural, it was like a really big deal for me. So I feel like it was like a defining moment for me to be like, I have so many endless possibilities of being me. I have so many endless possibilities of like who I am because I'm multifaceted, I'm talented, I'm able, I'm capable. Yeah, like I can't be defined. I don't have one look. I'm endless possibilities of myself. Definitely made of beauty, inclusivity, and empowerment. You look good, you feel good, and then you are empowering yourself and then others. Because when you look good and everyone's seeing you look good, you're like, damn, like I want to be like her.